Can you choose stocks better than a monkey can? Another way to put it, can you choose stocks? Study their charts, study the companies, and choose stocks that perform better over the period of 1 month than a random choice of 10 stocks. I thought I would give it a try, and here are the results. I think you'll find them very interesting and surprising.
Probably heard about this, but uh, a number of years ago, some monkeys were blindfolded and were given darts, and threw the darts at a newspaper that was showing stocks. And large majority of the time, those monkeys' choices tracked over time were beating out the choices of the experts of the day. The story goes something like that, and the test has been repeated in different ways. Well, I'm doing my own variation of the test for 1 month, and I have chosen 10 random stocks with the random stock picker by Robinhood, and I chose these right here, and these amounts add up to about the value of my this portfolio that I'm working on these days. So I'll check back in with you in 30 days, and we'll see how we do. We'll see you. I guess Christmas Day would be 1 month from now. We'll see how it goes. In my portfolio, there are things like Spotify, Facebook, CRISPR, um, things like that, and Capital One. Those are some of the main ones. A lot of money is in CRISPR. I'm particularly interested to see how that does. That could be a big fly in the short term, or it might take a dive and have to come back up. We'll see. All right, we'll see how it goes.
Okay, 30 days are up. Let's take a look and see how I did. Okay, well, you can see toward the end of the year, I was getting returns of not so good. Well, all right, like 13 to 20% returns on my investments. I mean, in fairness, some of these choices are long-term choices. In a couple of cases, I had to take some losses. It just made sense in my portfolio, and the timing of that was pretty bad. You can see there's some big dips in my investment choices, and also this is just something I'm still learning and I'm improving with, and constantly trying to improve my strategies and my performance as an investor. So anyway, let's see. Here's how I did. So on the high side, it was 19%. Um, so how did the monkeys do? The value of this part of my investment portfolio in E-Trade is about $3,200, and here I give the monkeys the same amount, or the random choices were each kind of distributed 10 choices with $320 or so each. And here is how the monkeys did. The monkeys got almost $40,000. So they did a little better than I did. And that really caught me off guard. Let me increase this size so you can see. So a lot of the choices, the total gain was 1.5, 3.3, 7. Oh, that's pretty good. 4. Here it is. One of the investments had a return of 10,000%. Oh my gosh. $300, and that would have yielded $35,000. So, wish I could go back in time and do this for real. So, I thought that was interesting. I'd be curious if you conduct a similar experiment, how it would go. And yeah, I look forward to hearing your comments. And I'm really curious what that particular company will do in the future. If it's going to nosedive down 10% or 10,000%, or if it's going to go up another 10,000%. Okay, well, that was Pete's experiment in trying to invest better than a monkey can. Thanks, guys. We'll see you.